Welcome to Spanky's Harley No Honda Repair Shop.
All right, grab a bunch of little ones that'll fit it. Here we are. Welcome to my channel. We are in the great, large, beautiful shop of your favorite person's Spankmeister. And we're working on a Honda. We're changing out carburetors. Did you find a wrench? Did you loosen it up?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, you gotta loosen that one up. Hold that one. You gotta have a wrench on that one and that one. Same time. Smaller wrench there. What we're going to do is put this new carburetor on this Honda it isn't Spanky's, but it's a nice one. It is nice. Anyway, the carburetor didn't work apparently, or something was wrong with it. So they're going to try to adapt this carburetor on it. And naturally nothing fits. So let's see if we can get her to fit. I got to show him how to adjust linkage. Apparently, and I lost him. Wouldn't you guys love to have this shop? Woo-wee. Right up there, that's the stairways to heaven right up there. When you guys hear us talking about the stairway to heaven, it's right up right up them stairs. Isn't that right, Spanky? Should be a groove to get it. Did you get it in the groove?
Yeah.
There you go. For y'all that don't know how to do this, you take, where's your needle nose? You take the needle nose, you loosen it up there, take the needle nose, and then you can pull the cable down into that slot, right down into there. Let's see if we can see that slot. Yeah, that slot right there. Then you can pull it out of there, then you can swap out. This needle is not only dirty, it's too big for that carburetor. It's the reason why we did that. So now we just got to bolt it on and hopefully put the hoses in the right area. My motorcycle followers like motorcycles. I wonder how they're going to like this Honda. Surprise! Better. Can't you wiggle her in? Get the right bolt?
It's the only one I got.
Well,
Don't tell me. Wrong frickin' threads. It's not supposed to. Son of a bitch.
you know, I don't have any metric bolts either. Ew. None came with the kit. Back to the find out that that carburetor is, you forgot to put that thing in. You're going to put it in later?
Yeah.
Was tapped. Well, we don't need it tapped because the bolts go through right like that. So we just drilled it out. Now we're sticking the bolts through, and it should have that bolted up and running. This is 200 horsepower, isn't it? About 290 horsepower. That should barely fly down the road all together. But we can't get it to fire. Tried to fire once out of about 2,000 kicks. I think we might be flooded now, so we're just going to let her sit overnight, and hopefully she fires up tomorrow. Didn't have any fuel coming to it to begin with. We got the fuel going in there. The little floats are filled up now. So he didn't take a picture, so we're not for sure which way the hoses go on there, but it really doesn't matter because one's reserve and one is just on. So if you're running on reserve, and it should run anyway, but then if you switch it around and you run out of your main tank, then you could switch it. You'll know which one is which real rapidly. But first thing you got to do is get it fired up, and we haven't been able to do that. And that's where we're going to end this one right here in Spanky's garage. Yep. Hondas and Harleys, that's what he works on. But please don't tell nobody. He wants to keep it a secret. Is that enrichener in or out?
Got it out 2 turns.
The enrichener?
Yeah.
This?
Oh no. Yeah, I've got that out about 2.5 turns.
This?
No, I don't want that on.
That's what I was asking if you had that on.
No.
Okay, before you mess with that, we got to mess with this. Just push this in, make sure. But that ain't holding it open. See why we moved that?
Yeah.
These are smoking already.
That's just the TV.
Now you can try turning your idler down and stuff like that. Where's your idle screw?
There. Well, that's the idling. That's the air.
I think we got her dialed in. Honda. It's for sale for $2,900. Hear the power. Well, you guys got a Honda and you need it fixed.
No.
Don't bring it to Spanky's Honda Repair.